Take it easy.
Hey, what's going on, Drip fam? It's Phil here, back with another extremely ghetto video today. I am terrible when it comes to drawing anything. I really have no idea how I've been so successful. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to talk about why print on demand is just as short term as drop shipping. So if you don't know what print on demand means, it's basically those sites where you can upload your own designs to mugs, t-shirts, canvas art, many other types of basic merchandise and household wares. And you can sell your stuff on this platform using things like Facebook ads, Instagram, and Google. The challenge is that not many people know just how volatile print on demand is and just how short term it can be. So as I've broken down in this absolutely terrible drawing that looks like a bad attempt at Egyptian hieroglyphics, there are three main elements to print on demand, all of which lead to the same outcome. So the first part of print on demand is coming up with ideas, and that's kind of something that I have represented by the light bulb on the left. But the challenge with ideas in print on demand is that you constantly have to be coming up with new ideas. Otherwise, your products are really going to grow stale, they're going to burn out on social media, and your ads are just going to be really dropping down in performance, and you're going to have to come up with a new idea in order to get it profitable again. The same can be said about the t-shirt in the center of this drawing, which stands for coming up with designs. That's the second element of print on demand. So both of these things, the ideas and the designs, you have to constantly be coming up with new ones in order to stay profitable in this business. If you just come up with like 2 designs and pray that they're going to last you a year, you might be extremely disappointed, and I'm going to cover why at the end of the video. The third element is, of course, advertising. So Facebook, Instagram, Google, Etsy actually is another one, and Amazon. All of those different platforms are solid for print on demand. The challenge is the competition is through the roof. And that leads me to my final point on print on demand, which is no matter what happens here, it almost always ends up being a bad time with somebody who's just trying to start a print on demand business out of their house. The reason this is every time you come out with a winning design, somebody else is going to steal your design. Either they're going to outright steal the design, or they're going to copy it so closely that you can't have Facebook shut them down, you can't take legal action against them, but they're just going to copy it and make such minor changes that it's really their own work at that point. So it's this cyclical pattern of frustration of running into new ideas, new designs, people stealing them, and then if you don't have a new or fresh idea and design that is not being stolen by 20, 30 other people, then your ads don't work, which is represented by the reciprocating arrows at the bottom right-hand corner. So these are strictly my opinions. Let me know what you think down below, guys. Is print on demand really as short term as drop shipping? I do want to give a disclaimer before I end the video. I do know some wildly successful print on demand entrepreneurs who have made millions of dollars by selling POD products. But the way that they have their businesses set up is really far above and beyond how most people have their print on demand businesses set up, with millions and millions of dollars invested in them. So just wanted to give that disclaimer. But once again, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on print on demand, just how long term it is, if you have any experience. And as always, guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and until next time,
Take it easy.